Hi, this is Ron from Prestige Fitness. Really looking forward to opening, but before we open, I wanted to share with you what we're doing above and beyond to get the facility prepared for you. Safety's always been our #1 priority for our staff and for the clients. I want to introduce you to Reyes. He owns the Janny King here in Tucson, and he's been part of our daily cleanup crew, and he's brought something very special to talk about and something that we're doing for you.
So what we're doing is we're gonna spray with this electromagnetic gun everything, all the equipment, free weights, floors, handles, computer switches, everything, the whole gym. And this one disinfects everything.
Is it hypoallergenic? Is it good for clients?
It's the latest technology, this one.
Awesome. This gun is very special. It disinfects and kills even AIDS. And it's
correct.
safe on all the equipment. It's safe on all the computers and TVs. Reyes, you've now been cleaning for us 7 nights a week.
Correct.
How does that compare to the other facilities you do?
Oh, this is the cleanest one for sure.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, we gotta maintain a high quality for your customers.
Awesome. We're really looking forward to it. You guys will watch what we're actually doing, getting ready for you guys to open, and we'll be maintaining these practices along with our social distancing, along with staff wearing masks in order to work with you. Really looking forward to seeing you soon. I hope you saw the attention to detail that we utilize to clean and disinfect every square inch of our facility. We have night crews coming in 7 nights a week, and of course we're cleaning, disinfecting all day, every day after every single client usage. Every client is like family to us, and we hope to see you really soon. We miss you and can't wait to help you get back on your journey to stay healthy, build your immune system, and get you rocking and rolling and having fun again.